Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change the pricing on Please Donate. So first thing you need to do is close Roblox. After that you want to go to roblox.com right there. Make sure you are signed into your Roblox account and then press create. After that you want to press creations, and on experiences you want to choose the one. Now once you will click on the place, you will see here a lot of buttons in the left side. So what you want to go ahead and find is monetization and passes. So here it is. So now as you can see the current price is 100. Now in order to change it, all you need to do is press on it, just like so. After that you want to press sales. And here as you can see the item sale. I'm just gonna make it to like maybe 30. Press save the changes. Now you can go back and maybe add a little bit more if you want to create a pass. Now after you've done all of that, you can go back to your Roblox and open up Please Donate. Now as you can see it has changed, and if this video was helpful guys, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.